Leadership. It is one of the most important qualities in any successful organization. Without strong leadership, there's confusion around organizational mission, vision, and purpose. Unintended consequences include mistakes, miscommunication, employee turnover, and potential legal issues, just to name a few. Every day, team members are rewarded with the new title of manager or leader. And if not equipped with the skills to move from the technical role to the leadership role, they may continue doing the technical work they knew so well, but leave their team with little coaching and unclear direction. Tarot's program, Tapping into Internal Motivation and the Art of Delegation, is a one-day program that's designed to provide direction and skills for the often overlooked role of leader. As a new leader or an experienced one, your focus is on developing and leading others. You need to get away from the day-to-day hands-on responsibilities. It's time to figure out the best way to access, motivate, and delegate to build a thriving team. This workshop is designed for individuals who want to do exactly that.